In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write multiple lines in one cell in Google Sheets on desktop. This is perfect when you want to keep related information together, like an address, a short list, or a few notes without spreading them across multiple cells. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along on either Windows or Mac. Start by opening your spreadsheet and double-clicking the cell where you want to type. Double-clicking puts the cell into edit mode, which is important because you need to be editing inside the cell for this to work. If you already have text in that cell, you can click directly within the text to place your cursor exactly where you want the next line to begin. Now, move your cursor to the exact spot where you want the line break. Think of this like positioning your cursor in a document before starting a new paragraph. If you're adding lines to the end of what's already there, just click after the last character. If you're inserting a line in the middle, click between the two characters where the new line should start. Here's the key step. To create a new line inside the same cell, press Alt plus Enter on Windows or Option plus Enter on a Mac. You'll see the cursor jump to a new line within that cell, not to the cell below. This is different from pressing Enter by itself, which normally moves you to the next cell down. Using the shortcut keeps everything neatly inside one cell. Once you've created the new line, continue typing your additional text. Each time you want another line, repeat the same shortcut. Alt plus Enter on Windows or Option plus Enter on Mac. You can add as many lines as you need, and they'll all stay within the same cell, stacked one under the other. This is great for creating visually clear entries without altering the layout of your sheet. When you're done, click anywhere outside the cell to save your multi-line text. Clicking away confirms the changes and lets you see how the cell looks in the grid. If you don't see the full content right away, that's usually just the row height adjusting. The text is still there on separate lines within the cell, and that's how you write multiple lines in one cell in Google Sheets on desktop. With a quick double-click, a precise cursor placement, the right keyboard shortcut, and a simple click outside to save, you can keep your information tidy and easy to read. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.